The latest on the coronavirus in South Korea. The country today reported its highest yet number of new infections at over 5,000. Some experts say that could rise to 10,000 a day by January. Yeon-seung reports.
South Korea on Wednesday reported an all-time high of 5,123 new cases, rising above the 5,000 mark for the first time. Critical cases also hit new highs, with 723 critically ill patients reported. Almost 90% of ICU beds in the capital are now filled. The country's medical capacity is already feeling the strain as it is, but one expert says that South Korea may see double Wednesday's tally in less than 2 months, 10,000 daily cases by late January, if there are no changes to the current prevention measures. He added that because South Korea was relatively successful in its prevention efforts, the country could take a harder hit when COVID-19 restrictions loosen up.
Countries in the West have seen much larger caseloads and spread so far, so they have a higher proportion of people who have gained immunity after being infected. But since we've relatively succeeded in staving off infections, the toll we might take in the future could be far greater.
Health authorities have said that they will look into imposing extra measures in response to the latest surge.
The government will discuss extra prevention measures on the size of private gatherings in the capital area, limiting unvaccinated guests in cafes and expanding vaccine passes, and will announce our conclusion sometime this week.
But assuming that returning to previous restrictions is not on the cards, the expert said that vaccine protection and oral treatment remain key to battling the spread. And that vaccine protection includes booster shots.
22% of the eligible recipients, or more than 3 million out of 14 million people, have received extra shots as of today.
From this Thursday, anyone aged 18 or over can reserve a top-up shot if at least 5 months have elapsed since they completed getting their full dose. Authorities will also expand at-home recovery, showing confidence in that 95% of the 40,000 COVID-19 patients treated at home so far had made full recoveries. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.